Most people will spend the next 6 months watching 40-hour coding bootcamps, and by the time they are finished, they won't be able to build a simple login page without help. It's 2026. The old way of learning web dev is dead. If you're still taking notes on HTML, you're already behind. I'm breaking down the 4-week sprint, tips the fluff, and put you ahead of 90% of CS graduates. Week 1. Stop memorizing. You need 2 hours of theory total. Learn the box model, flexbox, and how a div works. That is it. The rest, you learn by breaking things. Stick around because I'm revealing one AI cheat code that senior devs are using to write 1,000 lines of code in seconds. It can actually ruin your career if you use it wrong. This is where everyone feels they hit tutorial hell. To escape, you must start a project with 0 instructions. Build a link in bio page. It will look terrible. Your code will be spaghetti. Good. That's where the actual no-real pathways are formed. 2026, knowing how to code is less important than knowing what to ask. Here's the catch. If you let AI like Cursor or Cloud write your first project, you are effectively killing your logic skills. You will become a prompt engineer who can debug a simple syntax error. Now, we use the AI. 3 is all about orchestration. Use AI to refactor your messy week 1 code. Look how it handles state management. That's your masterclass. If this no-nonsense approach is making more sense than a $2,000 bootcamp, hit the subscribe button. Comment build below and I'll send you my 2026 project list. Week 4. Stop learning and start shipping. A portfolio of 10 tutorial projects is worth 0. One original AI augmented app that solves real problem. That's a job offer. Use the main stack on Next.js. It's the 2026 gold standard. Secret isn't more information, it's more friction. Get off YouTube and go break some code. If you have gotten to this part of this video and you have not still subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button.